Hey guys, in today's video I will guide you on resolving the media offline issue in Davinci Resolve. Click on your media, then right click and select Find in Media Pool. Right click on the Identify clip and choose Reveal in Finder. Window will appear displaying the clip path. Check the path and clip name. Navigate to specific path. If the clip is not found, it means it's been moved. Use the search icon by clicking it and search for clip by its name. Once found, move it back to its original location and then click OK. Return to Finder and relocate the clip to its original path. By doing this, you reset the clip location and your video is now back online. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.